welcome siguro mga idol. Ayan, ang buhay namin dito. Ganito lang. Ayan. Gana ba sa bulang? Oh, see? Let's enjoy. Ayan. After ng fighting drinking session. Oh, di ba? With Kuya Del and Kuya Elvin. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, punta ka na sa US at Canada. Yeah. This one. That's how it goes in the Philippines. Fighting. We're very happy. The one who won 1K. Yeah. Sabi won 150 pesos and Sak won 1K. And Uncle just lose 1K. But I win a lot of happiness. Okay, we together with Kuya Del and Kuya Elvin.